What if living on Mars is humanity's next great leap? Imagine a world where the red planet is not just a distant dream, but a new home for generations to come. Picture yourself on a dusty red plain, Earth just a distant star in a pink sky. The silence is profound, broken only by the hum of your suit and the crunch of Martian soil beneath your boots. Every step you take is a step into the unknown, a place where no human has ever truly lived before. This isn't science fiction. It's a future we're actively building. The journey to Mars is more than a rocket ride. It's the boldest test of our ingenuity and endurance. It's a mission that will demand new technologies, new ways of thinking, and a spirit of collaboration unlike anything we've seen before. We're not just planting a flag, we're planting the seeds of a new civilization. Mars challenges us to rethink survival, society, and our place in the universe. Every decision, from how we build our homes to how we work together, will shape the future of life on another world. The real challenge isn't getting there. It's staying, thriving, and building a society from scratch. We'll need to create air, water, food, and shelter, all while forging a new Martian culture. Every resource must be recycled, every system carefully maintained, and every person ready to adapt to the unexpected. The pioneers won't just be astronauts. They'll be founders of a new world, carrying humanity's legacy forward. This isn't just about survival. It's about expanding the human story beyond Earth, creating new traditions, and building a community that reflects our highest hopes. By becoming multiplanetary, we protect our future and open new frontiers for discovery. The quest for Mars continues the spirit that drove our ancestors to explore unknown lands, reminding us that exploration is at the heart of what it means to be human. It's a testament to our relentless curiosity and our drive to turn the impossible into reality. Mars is not just a destination, it's the next chapter in our shared adventure. Why Mars? First, it's about survival. Spreading to another planet is humanity's ultimate backup plan. Mars ensures our story continues no matter what happens on Earth. But it's also about discovery. Mars is a time capsule, holding clues to the solar system's history, and maybe even life itself. Human explorers could uncover secrets that robots can't, accelerating our understanding of the cosmos. The challenge of Mars will drive innovation, with new technologies benefiting life on Earth. The audacity of the mission inspires a new generation to pursue science and engineering. And at our core, we go because we're explorers. Mars is the next great frontier. It's a blank canvas, calling to the adventurer in all of us. Exploration is in our DNA. Mars is the next step. When we dream of living beyond Earth, the Moon and Mars are our top candidates. The Moon is close and convenient for testing, but it's harsh. No atmosphere, wild temperature swings, and little water. Mars, though farther, offers a thin atmosphere, a day-night cycle like Earth's, and abundant water ice. Mars' resources, water, carbon dioxide, and minerals, make self-sufficiency possible. The Moon is a great outpost, but Mars is the only real candidate for a true independent human society. If we want a second cradle for humanity, Mars is the clear winner. Its environment and resources make lasting colonization possible. The Moon is our laboratory. Mars is our new world. The future of human settlement lies on the red planet. To build a society on Mars, we must solve the most basic problem: staying alive. Mars offers no breathable air, liquid water, or fertile soil. Everything must be engineered. Our first task is to create a habitat that supplies air, water, food, and shelter. Each is a monumental challenge: extracting oxygen, purifying water, growing food without soil, and shielding from radiation. We can't rely on endless supplies from Earth. Self-sufficiency is essential. In-Situ Resource Utilization, using Martian materials, is the key. We must become Martians in practice, not just in name. The goal, a closed system that supports life indefinitely, with minimal input from Earth. Every system must be efficient and resilient. Failure isn't an option. Our success depends on mastering life support technology in the harshest environment imaginable. On Mars, survival means recycling everything: air, water, and waste. Every resource is precious, and nothing can be taken for granted in the harsh Martian environment. Closed-loop life support mimics Earth's ecosystem, where nothing is wasted. On Earth, nature recycles seamlessly. But on Mars, we must engineer this balance ourselves. Machines scrub carbon dioxide from the air, split it into oxygen and methane, and recycle the oxygen for breathing. This technology is the backbone of breathable air on Mars. Plants play a vital role, absorbing CO2 and releasing oxygen through photosynthesis. They also provide fresh food and psychological comfort to the crew, making the habitat feel more like home. Every drop of water is reclaimed, from showers, sweat, and even urine, using advanced filtration. Water is constantly purified and cycled, ensuring nothing is wasted. Waste isn't discarded, it's processed in bioreactors, turning scraps into fuel and fertilizer. Even the smallest leftovers are transformed into something useful. This cycle transforms hazards into resources, closing the loop for food and life support. It's a continuous process, where every output becomes a new input. The same water and air are used again and again, creating a sustainable bubble of life. This artificial ecosystem shields astronauts from the deadly Martian landscape outside. Robust systems are essential. Any failure could be catastrophic. Constant monitoring and maintenance are required to keep everything running smoothly. By mastering closed-loop systems, we turn Martian challenges into opportunities. Innovation and adaptability are key to thriving on the red planet. Every breath, every sip, every meal depends on this delicate balance. The crew's health and survival are tied to the efficiency of these systems. On Mars, recycling isn't just smart, it's survival. The margin for error is razor-thin, and resourcefulness is a way of life. The circle of life becomes a technological marvel, engineered to sustain humanity on a distant world. Growing food on Mars means rethinking agriculture from the ground up. Martian soil is toxic and barren, so traditional farming is out. Hydroponics, growing plants in nutrient-rich water, offers a solution. Plants grow in vertical racks under LED lights, maximizing space and efficiency. The system recycles water and nutrients, integrating with the habitat's life support. Hydroponics allows year-round cultivation, immune to Martian dust storms. Early Martian farmers will be botanists and engineers, managing complex systems. As the colony grows, minerals can be extracted from Martian soil to reduce reliance on Earth. Hydroponics provides not just food, but also psychological comfort, a touch of green in a red world. Success in Martian farming is vital for both survival and well-being. True Martian independence means living off the land, using local resources for everything. Water ice, found beneath the surface, is the most valuable resource. Robots will mine and melt ice for drinking, then split it into hydrogen and oxygen for air and rocket fuel. Producing fuel on Mars enables return trips and further exploration. Mars could become a refueling station for the solar system. The atmosphere, rich in carbon dioxide, can be processed for oxygen. Martian soil can be turned into bricks and metals for construction. Every local resource reduces dependence on Earth. ISRU, In-Situ Resource Utilization, is the foundation of a thriving Martian society. By harnessing Mars's resources, we build not just habitats but a new industry. Independence starts with what's already on the red planet. Mars is unforgiving. Radiation, freezing temperatures, and violent dust storms test every system and every person who dares to set foot on its surface. The planet's harsh environment is a constant reminder that survival here is never guaranteed. Habitats must be shielded, often buried under thick layers of Martian soil, to protect from deadly cosmic rays and solar radiation. Every structure is designed with safety in mind, using local resources to create barriers against the invisible dangers from space. Energy is a constant challenge. Solar power is limited by weak sunlight and frequent dust storms, so reliable nuclear reactors may be essential for survival. Redundancy and innovation in power systems are crucial to keep life support running. Martian dust is relentless, fine, toxic, and clinging to everything. It threatens equipment, electronics, and even human health. Keeping it at bay is a never-ending struggle. Keeping habitats clean and systems running will be a daily battle. Maintenance routines and constant vigilance are essential to prevent breakdowns in the unforgiving Martian environment. But the hardest challenges are human, living in isolation, confined with a small crew, millions of miles from home, with only each other for support. The psychological toll can be immense. Psychological resilience, teamwork, and strong social systems are as vital as technology. Building trust and maintaining morale are key to thriving on Mars. Governance, conflict resolution, and mental health support will shape the colony's success. Effective leadership and open communication are essential for harmony. Mars will test not just our machines, but our minds and hearts. The journey will demand courage, empathy, and adaptability from every colonist. The first Martians must be pioneers in every sense: engineers, scientists, and community builders, forging a new way of life on a distant world. Survival on Mars is the ultimate test of human adaptability, ingenuity, and spirit, a challenge unlike any we have faced before. A sustainable society on Mars would redefine what it means to be human. We'd become a multi-planetary species, expanding our story beyond Earth. Building a Martian society offers a chance to rethink how we live, designing new systems, cultures, and values from scratch. The lessons learned on Mars could help us live more sustainably on Earth. A permanent base opens the solar system for exploration, asteroids, moons, and beyond. Mars becomes our stepping stone to the stars. The journey to Mars is a journey of self-discovery, revealing our potential and fragility. By reaching for another world, we learn to care for our own. Mars isn't an escape, it's the next chapter in humanity's story. Two worlds, one future, both called home.